So here I have my 1969 Yamaha 125 AT1. This is all in original condition. It's going to be a project bike. Going to be fixing it up one piece at a time. It does have quite a bit of extensive repair that needs to be done. Extensive replacement of parts and pieces here, like you can see. The whole engine is going to be locked up. It's going to have to be replaced. I've got a rusty stick here, as you can see. So we're going to have to take all that out. Pretty sure basically everything needs to be done. This is in the condition I got it in. I haven't cleaned it up at all. But we're looking at pretty much a full rebuild. There are some original parts that are going to be able to be used. Some parts are going to be salvaged off of eBay, obviously. I've got my to-do list here. So basically just my first rundown of the situation here. I'm going to be trying to make videos on the progress with this throughout the winter here and see where we can get. I've got a friend of mine that comes over and helps me out here and there with little projects. He's got a Yamaha 1973 100cc, which is basically the little brother to this bike right here, which is a 1973 CT1, and this has been basically restored for the most part. I have a handful of things I still have to get done on it here, but she's looking good. I've got the gas tank is being restored right now, so got painted up. I've got some new wheels for it, coming from bikebandit.com. I've got the front wheel, but the rear wheel is taking a little while. So far my project counter is a little disorganized, but we've got all the stuff out and ready to go. So